Hi, hello, good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Len Villarasa po, one of the promoter here from Huawei Concept Store SM City, Valenzuela. Why Huawei is the best choice? Because Huawei Watch GT6 has #1 global market share, and also they have 2 million trusted users worldwide. And then also, Huawei Watch GT6 have a luxury made wearables built from very materials that define luxury watches. And also, we have also the aesthetic design. Meron siyang 3D time scale bezel na tinatawag because meron siyang 10% na slimmer na, then 5.5 large screen with 3,000 peak brightness. Clear and vivid na po yung kanyang display even under sunlight. Yun po yung kagandahan sa kanya. Kaya perfect po itong ating Huawei Watch GT6 for outdoor usage. Unang-una na po dito yung battery ng ating Huawei Watch GT6 because in 41mm, they have also 14 days battery life with lightweight usage, and then for 7 days for typical usage, and also 25 hours for rail tran. And for the 46mm po, meron siyang 21 days battery life for light usage, and then 12 days for typical usage, 40 hours for rail tran. Yun po yung kagandahan sa ating Huawei Watch GT6. And also, they have a sport mode na tinatawag with 100 plus indoor and outdoor sports po siya. Fit for any activity. Then, meron siyang trail run mode. Has improved better life battery from 20 hours staggering 40 hours in this model po. And then, meron siyang fall detection and cycling modes, which is nag-a-alert po itong ating Huawei Watch GT6 once na nagkaroon siya ng emergency using gamit yung ating cycling mode sports. Yan. And then for the GT6 Pro series po, we have supports in free diving and golf. Perfect po siya for sports and enthusiasts. And then also, we have the health management. Huawei Watch GT6 series helps to improve our heart rhythms, detect irregularities from early awareness because meron siyang ECG detection, and then meron siyang sleep management na kung saan natatrack na yung pagtulog natin, then para nai-improve yung oras ng pahinga, and then yung recovery ng ating pagtulog. And then also we have the emotional well-being assistance na namamanage niya yung stress by monitoring your mood swings, heart rates, and relaxation level. Tapos para makip natin yung balance throughout the day from time to time na gumagamit tayo ng watch na ito. So malaking tulong siya sa atin for our daily life or everyday